Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OPPO A80. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family, and then click on Parental Controls, and click on Let's do this. Now you can click on Sign in and click on Google. Now you have to enter your child email. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child's password. And click I agree. Then click Accept. And click on Supervise. Now click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And click Allow. Now click Next again. And click Done. And now your parental controls are set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.